this video we will discuss the text edition feature in Capcut. So first we will open the Capcut app, then after that we will import stock video, and here this is the video on which we will add the text, and here we will add some text. So we will press on text and then add text, and here we will type anything which we want to write on this video. So we will type, we will drag down or anywhere where we want. So we will add another text. We can edit this text by styles, different styles. We will select add fonts and animations, different animations we have in Capcut, like this and this this will be good animations. Similar, we add another animation on this video, bubbles animation. We also have like this. All these animation styles are available in the Capcut. This is also good. This, and we can use effects on text. So this, we can add styles, different styles. Here we can add stroke, gloves, background, shadow. And this is a background. We can add and this is the text effects. So these also many more and such beautiful effects, ready-made effects available in the Capcut. So first we will download and we will add. You can download, you can add. So this was a tutorial about text edition in Capcut. So if you want more Capcut tutorials, so subscribe the channel. We will add some advanced and beginner tutorials of Capcut. Thank you.